Hi guys, it is Jones with the camper. It's a bit... I can't really stand up straight. Anyways, exciting day today. I had a small accident a couple of days after I bought the car. A friend of mine backed into it and broke something. And now I have the spare part. I'm gonna show you. Just hang on and we will get to it. And other side, you can see what it's supposed to look like. So now guys, we have this, a brand new part for a 35-year-old car. So we're gonna try to attach it and you will be along. So just to show you, this was a piece of plastic that was sitting up here. And down here is a screw. Here we have the lights. One big, one small. And here we have the new light. It's gonna go like that. And you see this will slide in two. See, this one and this one attached on the headlight, and then we have the screws on the side. They will just be tightened, so maybe we can get a good angle. Yeah guys, I just realized I had some sort of malfunction in the left blinker. Would be that one, and the light just had to be screwed down a little bit. So now, new set, it looks good. Well, if all you wanted to know was how to replace one of the front blinkers of the Renault Trafic Mark 1, now you know. Just 2 screws, you need the size 10 wrench, and yeah, I mean, you can do it in a couple of minutes. The hard part is to find the part. Thank you for watching.